Welcome to a video from thedigital.com. New Windows 10 build to look at. This is build 18945 for Windows Insiders on FastRing. And after accidentally releasing 18947 during the week, which wasn't supposed to go out and it went out to all rings, this one is just FastRing and it is meant for Windows Insiders to test. Unfortunately, it doesn't have a lot of new features, whereas 18947 had a sort of changed start menu, a test start menu. This is back with the regular old start menu. I run it here on my virtual machine rather than on my usual Surface Go, because I had a bit of trouble getting it installed on Surface Go. I did get it installed eventually by deleting all the content of the software distribution folder. Anyway, what's new in this build? Well, Microsoft in the release notes mentioned Cortana. Now, if you've watched these videos before, you know that I've already shown you this. Here's my Cortana. Let me sign in. So here I am in Cortana, and I can do the conversational style things like, what is the weather today? Or I could say, how's the weather today, or something like that. Let's see, so I can get that, and I can do things like that, like what's the time, and it pulls up the time, and the usual kind of stuff you can do with Cortana. You can't do it. I can't say like check my email. Some stuff is not enabled like that, so it looks like it might be able to do at some point, but you can't do that at the moment. So I wonder if I can do tasks with to do. No, I can't. So it's doing some searching, and I can get the weather, that kind of thing. So, but anyway, this is the new Cortana interface. And I said this has been around for a while. It's just that they mention it in the blog post. Another thing they mentioned in the blog post is some improvements to the Windows subsystems for Linux 2, and that's in their configuration options. I'm going to show you that from here on the release notes. So not something I'm currently using, but it's great if you're doing some development testing and you want to get Linux working on there. They also mention narrator improvements as well. Now, one thing that I did see on an early build and then it sort of disappeared and came back is this new search experience. So let's see if that's working on my machine, because not all insiders have got that, because it says over the next few days. So there you go, there's the new search experience that Microsoft is showing off. So it's supposed to make searching a bit easier and a bit quicker. Right, the rest of the changes are the usual minor fixes. They've fixed some people having install issues. If you had the C19001 error, then that was caused by a storage device bug, and that's been fixed. They fixed some issues with reliability issues with the Linux subsystem 2, some Windows Defender issues fixed, some Minecast. Some Miracast disconnection issues have been fixed, which is good if you use Miracast. So that's a way of sort of streaming your screen using the Connect feature in Windows 10. They fixed some DNS issues when you're updating DNS. But there's still some known issues in this. Usual ones: anti-cheat software may cause your PC will be blocked, or may cause your PC to crash. That's if you're using old version anti-cheat software. Most of the anti-cheat software has been updated now. Realtek SD card readers not functioning. Tamper protection may be turned off, and some Japanese IMEI issues and some magnifier issues. The final thing they mentioned in the release notes, but this again is not really to this build, is they've added some more your phone screen mirroring support. So the Your Phone app is the app where you get your notifications, and you can actually mirror your Android phone here on PC. I've got Pixel 2 XL, and it's not supported, but they mentioned that the A6, A7, A9, A10, A20, A30, A50, A70 and S8 active Samsung phones are now supported. So that's all the changes with this build. I guess it's still early days. This build is not a 20H1 build, not due till beginning of middle first, not due till the first half of next year, 20H1. So we could see some new features soon, and they might even see some new changes to the start menu, you never know. But thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you on the next one.